Hello and welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. In this video, we will discuss how to find the document root of a website that is hosted on a Nginx server. Let's get started. The website files might be put on different locations in a server for security reasons. That means the website files are not usually put on the common directory such as /var, /www, /html or just the home directory of a user. This is one of my web server's terminal which I have accessed via SSH. Here if I do ll and hit enter, we see some files and directories, but none of them is a website directory. To find out the document root of a website in a server, we should first know which web server is used, Apache or Nginx or any other. We can find it by checking what service is running on port 80 with the netstat command. You should install the net-tools package to get the netstat command on the server if it's not installed already. You can install the net-tools package in CentOS, Red Hat or Fedora based servers using -y install net-tools command and apt-y install net-tools in Ubuntu or any other Debian based Linux distributions. In my case, I am using a Ubuntu server and the net-tools package is already installed on it. So let's move on and see what service is running on port 80 by running netstat as netstat -pulnp pipe grep 80. As you can see, the Nginx master process is using the port 80. Now we know what server is used. Next, let's switch the current working directory to /etc/nginx/sites-available and long list the contents. Here we can see the Nginx virtual host configuration file for the website. The virtual host configuration files are usually put on this location in a Nginx server. Then open the virtual host configuration file with a text editor such as vi or bin or nano or cat. Here we can see the document root location with the root directive. Let's copy the location, exit from the file and switch the current location to location that you have just copied. Now running ll, we can see the website files. This is the document root of the site. Modifying anything on the file on this location is modified on the site. Okay friends, this is how we can find document root of a website in a Nginx server. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video. See you in other videos. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.